What up, Rocketeers? Rocket back in the house. Yay, yay. We on our way down to Ocean City to pick up my kids. It's a rainy day, but we still going down. I'm going to try to fly the drone off the beach and see if I can get some cool shots of the ocean. We'll see because of the rain. As you can see, it's poopy out. We're stopping for gas. And then we're on our way. Yay, yay.
So in love with you. You got me down again.
What's up, Rocketeers? Well, now y'all got to see the drone footage from around where my my kids' grandparents live at. But now we're heading out to Ocean City, baby. We're gonna go out and eat with the family. Yay, yay. That's how we do.
My baby don't like because there's no balcony.
Yay! We're at the rope walk. It's the family in Ocean City. Yay, yay. Here we go. Look how nice it is. It's on the water and we'll love it. And the playground, yay. Because the rocket is a smash. And look at the shark, yay, yay. Rope walk, Ocean City. We're at the restaurant. It's the rope walk. Yay, yay. They got good Let's see what we got on the menu. It's a good menu. All seafood, oyster shooters. Well, we're gonna order and we'll be right back. When you order a drink here, you get a pitcher. That's a main soda. Yeah, cheers. Ha ha ha.
I love it.
Yeah. We got pot suckers or something like that, and chicken tenders as the appetizers for the kids. Yay. We got our food. Yum, yum. My wife building her French fry art. Renee, look, she's an architect.
Yay! Now I don't shake the tape.
This is the French fry Picasso. Douze. Oui.
Look, Howie. How mommy did.
She built a leaning tower of French fry. Oui. We had a great dinner. It's the rope walk. Pretty good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's raining out. It's pouring out, actually.
I need to find me a candy chicken from home.
Here we go. Good thing the GoPro's waterproof. Yay. Ocean City in the rain. This might be all the sand y'all get to see. But here's some sand. Yay. Ocean City flooded. The streets are completely dead. It's sad. Well, we stopped because wife wanted a coffee from Starbucks. Ocean City is flooded. The roads are insane. Look at this. It's coming down like this for over an hour. It's pretty horrible. The GoPro's wild. But it's raining pretty bad. Yay. Like a thunderstorm.